Welcome to today's Chatter No Frills Tech News with the top 5 stories of the day. Today we talk about ads within Perplexity, the Pixar of AI, how big tech ships, the EU goes dark mode, and a primer on engineering handbooks. So without further ado, let's get into it. How Perplexity plans to use ads. Perplexity offers sponsored follow-up questions instead of traditional ad links on its platform. This approach to search ads refocuses the user experience by prioritizing quality answers at the top of the response, compared to Google, who puts advertisements first. By prioritizing genuine answers, they keep user experience at the forefront, and moreover, their planned in-app checkout makes it easy for users to complete purchases without switching platforms. However, ads tied to specific questions might skew the perceived best answers, so it's unclear if this is really giving you the best answer to your query. And less visual presented ads will be lower margin, making competing with Google very challenging. Perplexity's innovative and somewhat idealistic ad strategy could redefine how users engage with search ads, but its effectiveness will depend on balancing ad relevance and the quality of user experience. The Pixar of AI. Asteria Films budgets are under 10 million per project, making indie financing viable. The movie studio aims to leverage AI to streamline animation and cut costs. And this could be a creative opportunity, as projects too risky or off-brand for big studios now really have a chance to shine. And artists gain control over the back-end, meaning how movies are actually produced, giving them a bigger financial stake in their own work. But the industry is concerned that AI might threaten traditional job stability. Also, some worry about AI's potential to reduce the need for human creativity. But AI isn't ready to replace Hollywood's human touch just yet. Asteria's success depends on balancing cost efficiency with creative quality. How to ship products at big tech. Projects don't automatically ship after all code is written. Success requires a dedicated lead, says author Goedecke. A successful project ship relies on proactive leadership and strategic planning beyond just coding. And technical teams should view shipping in part as a social construct, not just a technical process of deploying a feature. As one comment on Hacker News reads, a project is shipped when the important people at your company believe it's shipped. And this could be a problem, as the heavy focus on leadership satisfaction may divert attention from refining the end-user experience. This concept is dumb, but it's important, and we have to play the game to achieve anything, says one frustrated user. Optics do matter in technical work, and to be on the safe side, get your requirements to ship in writing, agreed upon, and as upfront as possible. The EU goes dark mode. Dark mode required by law in the EU by 2025, so as soon as next year, it's lights off. The European Accessibility Act is a legal requirement for accessibility in the private sector for a range of digital services and products. And this provides a choice for users' visual preferences and enhances usability. Dark mode allows me to read when I'm recovering from a migraine, says one benefiting user. However, concerns around potential technical and design costs and limited regulatory clarity on full requirements remain. Also, not all users prefer dark mode. While some users will like the broad availability of dark mode, for example for apps like Strava, this could be a bureaucratic drag with limited upside, just like the cookie banner. Engineering Handbooks 101. An effective handbook can increase onboarding speed and decision-making clarity by up to 50%. Engineering handbooks, either physical or in digital form, like a Notion page, provide a structured knowledge base. This provides consistent tech practices and standards, as well as builds a lasting cultural resource for the team. The author describes it as, it's a living document that reflects and shapes how a team collaborates to build great software. But handbooks require substantial time for initial setup and maintenance. As one comment on Reddit reads, the problem arises when it turns out that one of the handbooks was written a very long time ago and nobody bothered to correct it because it's about the most boring, ultra-specific subject ever. Therefore, handbooks should be easy to understand and navigate because engineers have to actually want to use it in order to maintain it, in order to be valuable.